Hi everyone. In this video, we'll show you how to find your PC password in Windows 11. Start by clicking the Windows icon and opening Settings. Once you're in, click your profile, then use the search bar at the top to type password. From the results, select Change your password. You'll now see different sign-in options. You can change or remove your PIN, but to find your actual password, scroll down and click on the password option. To proceed, Windows will ask for your current password. If you don't remember it or want to find stored passwords, go back to the Windows icon, and this time open the Control Panel. Inside Control Panel, click on Credential Manager. Then select Windows Credentials and look for saved passwords under Generic Credentials or Windows Credentials. If you're asked for authentication, provide your PIN or Windows Hello. Here, you'll be able to view saved passwords associated with your PC. That's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials.